Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Skype and delete old chat history, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling Skype, first, close the application if it is currently open. On your computer, navigate to the Start menu. For Windows users, select Settings from the menu. Then, choose Apps or Apps and Features from the options available. In the search bar, type Skype to locate the application quickly. Once found, click on Skype from the list. Next, choose the Uninstall button. Confirm your decision by clicking Uninstall again in the pop-up prompt. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. Now that Skype is removed, it's time to delete your old chat history. Open File Explorer on your computer. In the address bar, paste this path, %appdata%/Skype. Press Enter to access the Skype folder. You will see folders for each of your Skype accounts. Select the folder that matches your Skype username. Inside this folder, locate and delete the ChatSync folder if it exists. Additionally, check for any other files or folders that contain chat history. Once you've deleted the necessary files, close File Explorer. Finally, empty your recycle bin to permanently remove the deleted files. You have successfully uninstalled Skype and erased your old chat history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.